doing your circles and grooming the area, we want you guys to stay away probably about 2 feet, right about there. The rest of it should be handwork. That way we eliminate these lips that are created from the shale going on onto the grass, right? So what we want to do is just to pull it back into this playing area rather than this.
Yeah, don't be doing that.
See, and then just eventually over time, you can see there's a little bit of lip there. Eventually over time, we're going to get that, right? Bad hops, balls going to people's faces, and we want to avoid that, right? So everything is back into the playing surface for 2 feet, and then you can go ahead and groom the rest of your field, right? So the question that was asked this afternoon was, how do we groom? So what we would like to see is like pretty much totally random, not in a circle pattern. Like I see a lot of people, because it's the easiest to start the center and work their way out. What you're doing is you're creating a bowl. So you're pushing all that material from the center out to the edge. Typically what we do with that machine, we'll go to first to second, do a Zamboni, and then we'll go to third to second, doing Zamboni, we'll go do it twice. Figure eights are fine, but we want to avoid that circle action. Water, yes. That's the important part about before you guys groom, is to wet down the field. So what happens is, you can see here, this was previously wet, and we've raked it out, and you can see there's a lot of aggregate here, right? That will help in our drainage. When you get to places like here, and you groom it like that with your groomer, which is typical what happens with your groomer, because it's just a drag net, right? Correct?
Yeah.
You can see all the fines there. What happens there is once that gets wet, it develops a film and will actually start sealing off your shale, which where we get our puddles, our wet problems, right? So we want this look. This is previously wet, just raked, a lot of aggregate on the top. You'll get truer bounces. It'll be much better for play. Okay, so does everybody know where the infield irrigation is?
Over there.
Yes, it's by the stands there. Okay. Our system's limited. You can only put one head at a time per diamond. You can't put both levers down at the same time. You can only put either the pitchers or the one behind home plate one at a time. And really, it only takes about 2 revolutions, and you're good. Go ahead and drag, do your handwork, and you're ready for the next game.
Perfect.
Okay.